Today I wanted to talk to you about this ceiling fan that's flush mounted. Comes with this remote. Light off, light on, low speed, medium speed. It looks actually really nice on the video, like a propeller. And this is the highest speed. Works well, doesn't make any noise, and it actually has the option to reverse if you'd like. You have to take off the cap where you have the controller inside the base. Very easy to regulate, just 3 settings: low, medium, high, and the light. Thanks for watching.